What if we told you that one of the most powerful superfoods isn't some rare exotic berry or pricey supplement, but something already in your kitchen? Yes, we're talking about the humble onion. You might use it every day in your cooking, but have you ever wondered what actually happens if you eat onions every day? In today's video, we're diving deep into the science, benefits, and a few warnings about making onions a daily habit. Stick around. Some of these facts will surprise you. Chapter 1. The onion. More than just flavor, onions have been around for over 5,000 years. Ancient Egyptians worshipped them. Roman gladiators rubbed them on their muscles. And nearly every culture in the world includes onions in their cuisine. But onions aren't just about flavor, they're functional food. Packed with antioxidants, sulfur compounds, vitamins, and prebiotics, onions offer more than just culinary value. They're mini medicine bombs. Let's break down what happens when you eat them every day. Chapter 2. Onions and heart health. First up, your heart. Onions are full of quercetin, a powerful antioxidant known for its anti-inflammatory and blood pressure-lowering effects. Number 1 studies show that quercetin helps reduce bad LDL cholesterol and improve overall blood flow. Number 2, the sulfur compounds in onions also thin the blood slightly, acting almost like a natural blood thinner, lowering the risk of clots and strokes. Just one medium onion a day might significantly reduce your risk of heart disease over time. That's not folk wisdom. That's science-backed. Chapter 3. Boosting immunity. Feeling under the weather? Onions to the rescue. They're rich in vitamin C, flavonoids, and selenium, all crucial nutrients for a strong immune system. But here's the interesting part. Onions also contain prebiotics, special plant fibers that feed the good bacteria in your gut. And since 70% of your immune system lives in your gut, that's a huge win. Eating onions daily can support gut health, increase good bacteria, strengthen your body's natural defense. Chapter 4. Brain benefits. Want to keep your mind sharp? Daily onions can help there too. That same antioxidant, quercetin, has neuroprotective effects. Studies in animals have shown it can reduce oxidative stress in the brain, potentially lowering the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Some experts even call quercetin natural brain armor. Also, onions' anti-inflammatory properties help reduce systemic inflammation, which scientists believe plays a role in depression, anxiety, and cognitive decline. Chapter 5. Cancer-fighting properties. Onions belong to the allium family, along with garlic, leeks, and chives, all known for their anti-cancer properties. According to research published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, people who regularly consume onions have a lower risk of several types of cancer, including stomach cancer, colorectal cancer, prostate cancer, breast cancer. This is due to their organosulfur compounds, which can stop cancer cells from growing, spreading, and even trigger cancer cell death, apoptosis. Chapter 6. Gut health and digestion. Onions are a prebiotic powerhouse. That means they feed your good gut bacteria, like bifidobacteria and lactobacilli. When these bacteria thrive, your digestion improves, your inflammation goes down, and even your mood can get better. Yes, your gut is linked to your brain, but there's a catch. If you have IBS or a sensitive gut, onions can cause bloating, gas, or discomfort. That's because they're high in FODMAPs, a group of fermentable carbs that some people can't tolerate. Chapter 7. Weight loss support. Trying to lose weight? Onions might be your secret ally. They're low in calories, high in fiber, and add flavor without fat. But that's not all. Number 1, onions help regulate blood sugar by slowing down digestion. Number 2, their fiber keeps you full longer. Number 3, and they may even reduce fat storage due to their effects on insulin sensitivity. Swap sugary sauces or high-fat condiments with sautéed onions for a tasty, healthier alternative. Chapter 8. Skin and hair perks. Want glowing skin and stronger hair? Onions might help from the inside and out. The antioxidants in onions help reduce skin damage, aging, and inflammation. Plus, sulfur, yes, the thing that makes onions smell, supports collagen production, which is essential for skin elasticity. Some people even apply onion juice to the scalp to stimulate hair growth. While that's a little extreme, eating onions daily can definitely nourish you from within. Chapter 9. Side effects and cautions. Now, before you go adding onions to every meal, let's talk side effects. Digestive issues. As we mentioned, onions are high in FODMAPs. People with IBS or sensitive guts might experience gas, bloating, or cramping. Bad breath. Yep, onions can give you dragon breath, especially raw ones. Allergies. Rare, but some people may be allergic or sensitive to onions, causing skin or eye irritation. Medication interactions. Onions may thin your blood slightly, so if you're on blood thinners, talk to your doctor before going all in. Moderation is key. For most people, 1 medium onion a day, raw or cooked, is perfectly safe and beneficial. Chapter 10. Raw versus cooked. Which is better? Is raw better than cooked? Well, it depends. Raw onions retain more sulfur compounds and vitamin C, offer stronger antibacterial properties, are best for immune and cardiovascular benefits. Cooked onions are easier to digest, still retain many flavonoids, have a milder flavor, and are great for gut health. Mix it up. Enjoy raw onions in salads and cooked ones in soups, stir-fries, or roasted veggies. Chapter 11. How to eat onions every day. Here are a few easy ways to get onions into your daily routine. Add chopped onions to your morning omelet. Toss raw red onions into salads or wraps. Use sautéed onions as a base for soups, stews, or sauces. Roast them with other veggies for a savory side. Sprinkle grilled onions on tacos or burgers. Pro tip: soak raw onions in water or vinegar for 10 to 15 minutes to reduce their sharpness without losing nutrients. So, what happens when you eat onions every day? You support your heart, boost your immune system, feed your gut, and maybe even look and feel younger. It turns out the onion isn't just a kitchen staple, it's a nutritional powerhouse. What's your favorite way to eat onions? Let us know in the comments. Like this video if you learned something new, and don't forget to subscribe for more science-backed health content. Thanks for watching, and stay healthy.